They arc up into the blue sky over Wetaskawin. Nice, beautiful Barnstormers formation loop. It almost looks like they're tied together, don't they, Roy?
Absolutely, just like the Siskins aerobatic team from back in the early 30s from the Royal Canadian Air Force. They used to actually tie their aircraft together and do their aerobatic routines. Well, these two aren't tied together, but they sure look like it. As Ross is indeed in the lead, Father Bud just hanging off on the right side.
I think you mentioned this too, Roy. These airplanes are powered by exactly the same engine, the M14 radial engine. Another distinctive feature of that Yak 55M, the red and white striped airplane, of course, is the big fat wing. Bud has installed vortex generators on both the top and underside parts of the wing, and basically what those generators do is disrupt the airflow over the wing. And what that does is it increases the stall speed or lowers the stall speed of the Yak 55. So that means he can do some incredible maneuvers at extremely low speeds without stalling the wing. Okay, Bud is in the lead now. Ross is staying in formation. Ross having a tougher time because he's got a yoke in his hand, not a stick. Yokes are much better for cross-country flying, not for aerobatics.
Getting ready for the formation inside, outside roll. As it goes across, that is the barrel roll. That's Ross upside down, Bud right side up. And they swap once again. Bud upside down, Ross right side up.
Now the two aircraft are split away. Bud to the right and Ross to the left. What's he doing here? Diving into the airfield. Bud upside down, hanging in the straps. Now watch closely as Ross brings up from behind. Lots of airspeed. Bud going a lot slower. Pushing on the stick for Bud. Pulling on the yoke for Ross as they go around in a great big Barnstormers loop. That is the inside, outside Barnstormers loop. Almost like a mirror image there. As they fly around, Bud having to fly a much tighter loop than Ross.
Very difficult to do, indeed, on these very dissimilar aircraft. All right, Bailey in the Yak 55M as he goes up, 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 up. Gotta hold it right there and let it fall backwards right through the air show smoke. Watch as he dives down now and begins to pull back on the stick. Again, this one has the control stick in it, not the yoke, like the other aircraft. As he tumbles the airplane around and around, side to side. I think he calls that the Badinski.
Well, you just saw the torque speed, and we'll call this the Badinski.
Okay. Why not? As long as there's ski behind it.
That's right.
He has to do it. Now, there it is. End over end, side to side.
I just shake my head sometimes as they get these airplanes to do things that were never thought possible when Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright first took off in that first powered flight.
Oh my, we're going to let these two form up once again as they go side by side and get ready for the next part of their
watch closely as they pull back on the stick. Ross in the lead this time. And they roll the airplanes in a great big barrel roll. Probably about 500 or 600 feet above the ground here. Now you're looking at the top side of the airplanes as Bud sort of disappears behind that Yak 18. There's the turn. What a great way to spend a Sunday or Saturday afternoon. Hey, Roy?
Oh, kidding. Perfect day, sunshine, a few puffy clouds coming in here, but that's okay. As the two aircraft begin to separate and reposition, come back into the show line. All right, that's Ross Cranley in the white aircraft with the air show smoke trailing from behind. And you can hear him wind it up as he comes in towards show center. Rolls the airplane upside down. There he is. Inverted pass. I guess you can call that the inverted photo pass, showing the upside down portion of the aircraft. Can't do this with every transport utility aircraft, I tell you.
Oh, you sure can.
There it is, a snap roll. And another one. A spin in the horizontal plane.
And not to be outdone, here comes Dad. in the Yak 55. Let's see what Bud's gonna do now. Pulls up some airspeed. Oh, look at this tight 360-degree turn in the Yak 55. Looking at about 5 to positive 6 Gs. Pushing against Bud in the cockpit of that airplane.
And another couple of rolls there. Look at this. Here comes Ross. He's just above the field. Goes sideways. There it is. A knife edge pass just above the field. And look how he's holding it absolutely perfect.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, look at Bud's airplane. He's got it slowed right down. This is the vortex generators on the up and upward and downward sides of the wing. Look at how slow he can go in that airplane. He's also got a big fat wing out there producing lots and lots of lift. And that's what allows him to fly so slowly. Now he's hovering the airplane just like a helicopter, and now gravity takes over as the heavy end points down, and there's the recovery.
Oh my goodness, I don't know how these guys can do it.
They sure have a whole lot of fun doing it, though.
Oh, I know they do. What a cool thing for a family to do. Hey, get together, get a couple airplanes. Oh, let's father and son. Let's go do some aerobatics, some air show. That's what you call bonding time.
Hey kids, I got a challenge for you. When you see them at the autograph session later on this afternoon, when they've got the airplanes powered down, ask Ross and Bud who they think is the better pilot.
Well, here's a maneuver that was used by the Goldilocks team of the Royal Canadian Air Force to show how not to fly in formation. This is called the crazy formation. Both aircraft totally crossed up, cross-controlled. Yep, how not to fly your airplane in formation.
Now, of course, the Goldilocks meant that in good fun and tongue-in-cheek, but the higher-ups at the Royal Canadian Air Force thought that that was not a great representation of the professionalism of our Canadian forces, and so they went to the Goldilocks and said, please kindly remove that from your performance.
Yeah, do that.
Oh, it's yellow. That's the other wing.
What color do you think is Ross McKenna? What color is it?
Nice.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as an interstate cadet gets closer to the ground, you'll notice a couple of things. One, there's no noise. We turn down the music, and you'll also notice that the propeller is not turning. He has the engine off. Let's hear and see if we can hear the wind whistling through the struts of the interstate.
I can hear it, can you?
I can't hear it. That means that engine is off. He has no power right now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Now here's the hard part when you have no power. That's getting the airplane back on the ground. Normally we have a runway right in front of us where Ken can land the airplane in front, but he's got to do a little bit of jockeying out there to get the airplane turned around. Now somewhere out here at the front, there he is, ladies and gentlemen, laying the smoke onto the wheat as he climbs up into the sky, pulls back on the stick, rotates the airplane. We're looking at the top side of the aircraft right now. Look at how gorgeous that smoke looks there in the sky as he kicks in hard left rudder. A beautiful hammerhead turn. Right at show center, a quarter of a turn, lines it back up with the show line as he heads off to the western end of the field to realign with the air show line. This aircraft is a Pit Special S2S. specifically designed for airshow flying.
Where?
This aircraft has been modified to improve its aerobatic and cross-country capabilities. The engine, which is custom built by Levens Aviation Incorporated, develops over 260 horsepower. The aircraft has a gross weight of over 1,500 pounds and a top speed of about 212 miles per hour. At density altitude, working against him today, so he does a big teardrop maneuver out there at the eastern end of the field, allows him to climb for some altitude, and now translates in for airspeed. He goes straight up into the blue Alberta sky. Straight up. 260 horsepower screaming away, but he cuts the power and he does what we call the tail slide, slipping right down through the smoke trail he just created. Now look at the exit out of this maneuver. He comes in, or comes out of it, upside down. Now he rolls the airplane upright. And then rolls the airplane the opposite direction. The smoke comes
Ready, I
out.
want you to count the angles that he's going to do here. He pulls up. There's one. There's the vertical. There's the 45. There's the upside down. There's the 45. There's the vertical. Ground getting pretty big. There's the 45. And there it is. The great big stop sign in the sky.
One of the unique things about the exhaust system on the Pit Special
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, a 16-point hesitation roll.
as he pulls away at the western end of the field. He likes to roll the airplane on these reversal turnarounds. Smoke comes off, and Bill will reposition for his next maneuver.
As that great big
Comes down low. Here's the knife edge we were talking about. Flying along the fuselage, producing all the lift out there, and the engine providing all the
right here, Bill Carter, as he gets set up. Okay, get those cameras ready. You can see the ribbon is up.
Okay,
The crew
Brayden.
people are out there. Their knees are knocking. I think you can hear it all the way over
Gonna
here.
drop it.
The air show smoke comes on. He's getting it set up. He's coming in just above the field. Oh, he's going to roll the aircraft upside down. Did we mention this is an inverted ribbon cut? As he comes in, he got it. He got it with a victory roll at the end. Bill Carter and the inverted ribbon cut.
Now let's take the opportunity to introduce those brave souls out there, our pole holders for today's performance of Bill Carter. We have Jack Komaneski, Margaret Komaneski, Marissa Bali, Kyle Taylor, and Magic Komaneski.